Welcome back to the channel. So Vanon Pro is the maker of replacement lithium-ion batteries for all the major brands, in fact 15 major brands as you can see here. And today they sent me this one to see if we can make my WORX Switchdriver perfect. House on the Mend. Hi, I'm Mike with House on the Mend, and if you followed any of my videos where I'm doing actual projects like this one that I'm working on right now for an upcoming video, you've seen the WORX Switchdriver prominently displayed. In fact, when I was working as a handyman, it was indispensable on the job site because if you're hanging picture frames or doing cabinetry work, you can pre-drill that hole, then switch right over and drive that screw home without having to take the time to switch off of a chuck or switch from different drills. It's just awesome. The only problem I've ever had with this otherwise perfect drill has been the included 20-volt battery does not have a battery life indicator. And there's nothing worse than being up on a ladder or down underneath in a cabinet and boom, the battery goes dead, no warning. So when Vanon Pro reached out and offered to send me one of their batteries to review, I was excited to see that among the 15 they offer, they had one for the WORX. So if you see here, you have a battery life indicator, 4 LED bars telling you exactly where you're at. And unlike the battery that came with the Switchdriver, 1.5 amp hour, the Vanon Pro is a 5 amp hour. So that is 3 times the amount of energy density. And they are also fully compatible with the original charger for that brand of tools. So as you can see here, clicks on, no issues whatsoever. Now that is especially cool if you have in your garage or workshop a setup where you have your chargers all up on a rack or something like that. Now you might be thinking, I don't even have the charger anymore. Well, that's no problem. They sell replacement chargers for all the various battery platforms. Just fantastic. Nice. So overall, the battery works great, locks in nice and tight, very well built. At 5 amp hours, it's obviously superior to this 1.5 amp hour battery. It's a game changer having a battery life indicator, and it works with the same battery charging platform. What could be better? So if you found this video helpful, will you please give it a thumbs up? It's really helpful to the channel. Also, please consider subscribing. I work really hard to put out good quality video content, tool reviews, things like that to help you out. And there's a lot more tool videos to come. We're also going to be having this secret door entrance video come to life down here in our basement build here on this weekend. So I'm going to leave a link to Vanon Pro's website. Very nice website, super easy. You can go by brand and pick chargers or batteries, really nice. They also have Amazon listings for their batteries, so I'll leave links to both. Now the Amazon listings will be Amazon affiliate links, so if you click on those and end up making any purchase, it won't cost you a thing, but I do get a small reward at the end of the month. I'd like to thank Vanon Pro for, first of all, revitalizing my awesome old drill. Just look at this close-up of this thing. I have used it. It's almost got a patina to it. So I'm so glad to have a nice big battery to go with it. Also for sending me the tool free of charge so that I could review it and tell you all what I think is a great value. Until next time, thank you for watching.